Introducing the RYOBI 18V 1 Plus HP Brushless Spot Cleaner. Just take it directly to the mess, wherever it is. It's the perfect cordless cleaner, especially if you have pets. It uses the RYOBI 1 Plus 18V battery system to drive its powerful HP motor, delivering tough stain removal. No matter the mess, big, small, wet or dry, watch it disappear without the elbow grease, leaving your carpets, rugs and upholstery to dry quickly. The Spot Cleaner has a great range of accessories, all stored on board, making it suitable for a variety of fabrics and furnishings. And rejuvenate your car or caravan's interior to keep it looking in showroom condition. It has a 120cm hose with interchangeable heads for added versatility. For detail cleaning in tight spaces, the Crevice Tool is the perfect accessory. Take on life's everyday spills and pet messes with effortless cleaning. Use the 7-inch wide path nozzle for quick cleaning with fewer passes. You get up to 14 minutes of runtime on a fully charged 18V 1 Plus 4A battery. And cleanup is easy. Find your RYOBI 18V 1 Plus HP Brushless Spot Cleaner at your local Bunnings store in the cleaning aisle.
RYOBI, a cut above.